where the untamed heart of the ocean meets ancient basalt towers. A symphony of power and grace unfolds. Here, time bends, the raw energy of the water clashes with the unyielding strength of earth. A reminder of nature's eternal dialogue between chaos and calm. Whether bathed in golden sunrise or painted with twilight's violet hues, this rugged coastline whispers of adventures untold and secrets held deep within its tide-washed crevices. It is a moment where the world feels both wild and wondrously still. Thank you for watching.